and welcome to Wine Uncorked with Tower. My name is Gil Coolers. I'm a wine consultant here at Tower Beer, Wine, and Spirits in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we're going to talk about how to get those fragile, delicate corks out of some of our older wines. Now, what I have here is in part called an asso. One of the problems we have with older wines is that the cork tends to adhere to the neck of the bottle. With the asso opener, we're able to jimmy it down the side of the neck of the bottle and detach the cork from the glass. The problem with the asso is that sometimes when the cork gets a little bit dry, the asso can actually push the cork in, which is not good. But today I'm here to show you a device that was developed here in Atlanta, Georgia. It's called the Durand. It's named after a gentleman named Yves Durand, who was a mentor to many sommeliers in Atlanta, and he was a good friend of mine. Yves came up with helped come up with the design for this, and it is quite ingenious. Now, I've taken the liberty of using my typical worm corkscrew to take the capsule off of the cork. And what we do now is we use the worm opener . Now, this is not used to open or take the cork out of the bottle. It's used to stabilize the cork. Because remember, the problem with the asso is it tends to push the cork into the wine. But with this stable base provided by the worm, we're able to slide the asso in pretty easily. And now I'm able to turn the cork and detach it from the glass. And I've used the Durand with very, very old bottles of port. It's especially useful with older Bordeaux wines that the corks are fairly crumbling, and I've been able to get the corks out with nary a speck of cork. And here we have what every wine lover wants to see when they open up a bottle of wine is one cork and not many pieces of cork. Thanks for watching, and thanks for shopping at Tower.